Hello, my name is Tyler from Wensco, and today we're working with the Roland RE-640. We're going to go through some of the general maintenance. This is something you should do yourself on a weekly basis just to make sure that your printer is up and running properly. So let's get started. To start, you're going to go into the menu, down to the sub menu, and then from here we're going to go to maintenance. And then you can start the cleaning. From here, you're just going to open the front cover, and then you're going to open this left cover. It just has 2 thumb screws on the top. So if you loosen both of those, this should just pop right off here. And then from there, we just have to remove this thumb screw. And then this piece also will slide right out. And then we can go over and press enter on the printer to get the print head to come over to this side. So after the print head has moved over to the left side, you're just going to take a cleaning swab. You can just dip it right in the solution. And then from here, we're just going to wipe around the print head. You want to make sure not to touch the print head itself. So we're just going to go on the sides. And that should be good. Then we're just going to take off the right cover here. It's just these 2 thumb screws on the top. This should just pop off here. So there's 2 things you need to wipe down here. You're just going to wipe around the cap station here, so just around the 4 edges. You don't want to wipe on the cap station itself. And then the other thing you want to wipe down is just the wiper that's on this side. So you just do 1 wipe on each side, and that's all you'll need to do in here. From here, we're going to put the right cover on, and then press enter on here to tell it that we are finished so that the printer comes back over to this side. Then we'll take the left cover back off again, place the cut rail in. There's 2 notches that it basically just slides into, and then you should be able to replace the thumb screw that's in here. And then you can just put the left cover back on again. And replace those thumb screws as well. And then it will perform an automatic cleaning. And that's how you perform the routine maintenance on the Roland RE-640. It's pretty easy. It's something you should do at least once a week on your printer. If you still have any questions on it, you can contact us here at Wensco and we can help you out. But if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments below what you'd like to see us do next. And if you liked anything you saw in this video, you can check it out at wensco.com. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.